For this week's learning, we will be constructing a concept map around a central theme typical in early childhood classrooms. This theme should have emphasis on science and math concepts. A concept map is a way to organize your thoughts by brainstorming ideas and activities around your theme. This is not a lesson plan, but a simple way to think about all the possibilities for this theme. The first step for the concept map is to choose a theme. For this demonstration, we will be using the theme of dinosaurs. Next, think about the main idea you want children to learn. What questions might children have about your theme? We are going to use 3 big questions or big ideas to help children learn about dinosaurs. Where do they live? How big are they? And what did they eat? Now think about the different learning centers in your classroom and which centers would work best around your theme. You will need to have at least 3 different learning centers for each of your big ideas. Let's begin building a concept map with the question, where do they live? So we're going to think about in the Science and Discovery Center, we can build a terrarium. We can make a volcano. We can learn about different habitats. In the reading area, we will need books about dinosaurs, and the area can be decorated with leaves or other things to make it very interesting. Create an outside dramatic play area will allow children to pretend to be dinosaurs. Materials can include a kiddie pool, leaves, sand, dirt, and dinosaur toys. Within the classroom, sensory experiences could include a sensory table with leaves and dinosaur toys, or a sensory table with water and sand. Additional sensory could be gained through the creating of fossils with Play-Doh. Let's consider items for our next big question. How big are they? Incorporating the outside into our learning experiences by making cardboard dinosaur cutouts. In the math and manipulatives area, provide toy animals which can be used to compare sizes of bigger and smaller, include things such as rulers and measuring tape. Within the science and discovery area, provide things such as scales, measuring tapes, and different objects to weigh and measure. You can link these 2 concepts, math and science area, together by also measuring and graphing the heights of the children and the weight in comparison to dinosaurs. Be sure to include books in the reading area which focus on size, measurement, and opposites. The next big question, what did they eat? Provides lots of opportunity to include food experiences in the classroom, adding cooking experiences by talking about carnivore snacks and herbivore snacks and omnivore snacks, and let the children help create these items. A discussion of healthy eating, providing opportunities to make comparisons between what did a dinosaur eat and what do we eat. And as always, include books in the reading area. Topics for this could include things about food or healthy eating. The dramatic play area provides children with time to process the information they are learning and act out different ideas from the theme. This center is always a big hit with children, so be sure to include items such as dress-up clothes. This would also be a fun way to enforce healthy eating by having a dinosaur restaurant with pretend food and restaurant items. The sensory area could have things such as spoons, scoops, and play food. So for our final product for the concept map provides us with a way to organize your thoughts and give a general idea of activities we want to accomplish around this theme. So as an educator, the concept map can be created whenever you have thoughts and ideas about a specific theme. Concept maps are very useful as you begin to create lesson plans for the classroom environment. You're going to have to scroll it down.